like for example, join columns with test, which basically is going to take these two arrays and it's going to join those two with the string test. Or let's say you had a function called, you saw that a while back, last. So it's going to give you the last element of that array. And internally we have a term called months, which is basically an array of all the names of months. Here also you can just say last and give you the last element of that array, or last element, and so forth. So any array, this will work. Now if you took, like, let's say all the Z content element in this Z space, this is a jQuery object obviously, any table in the system can be considered to be an array, whether it's a spreadsheet or not. Even if you had taken some arbitrary table from somewhere. So if we went here and said, pick up this table, and you took that table here. So this table is now called, you can see it's got this, this long name here, main table, countries, today, and so forth. Let me do something very quick. So, so I'll go to format and say I'll click on this one and then go here and I'll go click the main countries today. So I've selected this table and I can say I want to change this to J1. And now I have changed the ID of the table to J1. So now if I went and to the command part and say J1, it should pick that set of values from the table into an array. Now the thing is that, let's say we assign this to now J, or let's say Q. Q is equal to this, right? And then you say Q last three elements, and it'll pick the last three elements from that array. So what I'm trying to point out here is any table or spreadsheet or array itself, they all can be addressed as an array, and then all of these functions that we are discussing here can be applied to those.